Hey guys, this is Josh Simonson with MarineMax here in Rogers. Really excited today to show you this all new Sunliner from Harris. So this is the 230 Sunliner, so 23 feet. As you can see here in the front, a nice rounded front, so quite a bit different look than most pontoons you might be used to seeing. Nice see-through door right there. And I'll show you on the interior why it is a rounded front. Now if you can't see with the sun and everything, but this is a nice rich dark blue on the exterior here. Really cool bimini. So this bimini is power and it folds forward, and then when it deploys and goes open it actually folds out. So kind of covers the back and in the cockpit. Really cool design on that one. As we come to the back, Harris is kind of known for their fender holders. They do have the chains that go across so you can sit in the back while the boat is underway. Got a nice ski tow bar. They're always going to have Mercs on the back of here. So this is a Mercury 200 with the stainless steel prop. And then we have the new these new ladders. This is the lily pad ladder. Really easy to get back and board the boat. It goes down at an angle, it doesn't go straight down. And then you've got a strap right here to pull it back up when you're inside the boat. So it makes it a lot easier. Love that design. Well, why don't you join me aboard and let's check out the rest. All right, thanks for joining me aboard. So this is their single lounger with the entertainment option. So in a lot of their layouts, you can have this single lounger back here with the backrest that does fold. It's forward right now, it can fold backward, and so you can face the other way. As you can see, you've got cup holders. There's storage underneath. This whole seat does come up and reclines the opposite way, so you could actually sit forward with that one as well. We come up to the table. So it's open right now, but this table, you can see it has this right here. This part right here does fold down, so easier to get in, or when you're not using it, this part right here does stay. It does have a leg that holds it in place, obviously. You got a cup holders, and just a cool place to sit. And then we have the co-captain. This is a bench, so not just a chair, kind of a cool bench idea. And that backrest does move forward and aft as well. We've got some storage kind of underneath here. They got a couple different spots. Typically you like to maybe throw some shoes down in there, sandals. Same thing down in here. So this whole area right here is a little bit changed. So I've got a nice drawer that pulls out right here. And then just some more storage for there. But they made this little area right here to throw your sandals in. You got the nice side door here on the port side. Now, turning around to the helm. This is a raised helm here on the Sunliner. We've got the nice captain's chair, 2 armrests, swivels, goes back and forth. Like I mentioned, this has the Merc 200. This does come with a digital throttle and active trim. We just got some lighting right here, accent lighting, intern lighting. We got your master power right there, and then the bimini up and down button. Right here is a place for a phone, and that is a charger as well. The boat does come equipped with a wet sounds, so it's got speakers all over the boat, and it does have a subwoofer. And then we have our touchscreen SIMRAD, which is right in there as well. Kind of a cool thing that spins around with the Harris logo. Kind of fun. Some storage underneath there in the helm, storage underneath the seats, armrests, cup holders. Now, part of the reason that this boat was rounded at the front, and as you can see right here, it does have a backrest And so when you sit backwards, it doesn't, it's flat right here. So 2 people can sit right here, 1 person can sit there, whatever you like. Like I said, there's lighting all over. The bimini does light up as well. Really cool design. Really excited about the new Sunliner. Love the colors in this boat. The blue with the tan interior. This boat's here at a Rogers location. Stop by anytime, take a look, or give us a call and we can set up an appointment.